Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to stream HBO Max on Discord. Let's get started. So first things first, there are a few things that you will need to ensure that you have. For example, you will need to make sure you have downloaded and installed the latest version of Discord. Make sure you have logged into your HBO Max account. If you don't have one, clearly you will need to sign up. And yes, there is a certain fee for HBO Max. Prepare a Nitro account if you want to stream videos in your desired quality or frame rate. If not, go ahead and ignore it. And of course, make sure you have a decent Wi-Fi connection. So first things first, you have to download the Discord app on your desktop. Along with that, open up the HBO Max on your browser and sign up or log into your account. Secondly, you have to select your favorite HBO Max TV show or whichever movie that you desire to watch and stream on Discord. Later on, open up user settings from Discord by clicking the small icon from the bottom left side of the window, as you can see here. From the side column, choose the registered games option under the activity settings menu. Now press the added button, as you can see here on this picture right here. Now once you've clicked on that button, you need to expand the select drop down menu and select HBO Max from the list, as you can see here. Once you've clicked on HBO Max, the next step is choosing the server to stream on and going for the desired channel. Anyone who wishes to watch with you will be able to enter the server and then talk or meet up with their fellow Discord members. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and share screen and go ahead and share your specific HBO screen, and that should just about do it. And if you ever wish to disconnect the live streaming, go ahead and simply click on the disconnect button. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.